Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to discuss everything you need to know about trademark renewal in India under the Trademarks Act 1999. From what happens if you miss the grace period, to how many times you can renew a trademark, and even the exact step-by-step process on the IP India website, this video covers it all. So stay tuned till the end to clear all your doubts. Question 141. Under Section 25 of the Trademarks Act 1999, what happens if a trademark renewal application is not filed within the grace period? Answer. Under the Trademarks Act 1999, the provision for the renewal of a trademark is outlined in Section 25 of the Act. Here is a detailed breakdown of the relevant provisions related to trademark renewal according to the Trademarks Act 1999. Section 25 of the Trademarks Act 1999, Renewal of Registration. This section deals with the renewal process and the circumstances under which a registered trademark can be renewed. 1. Period of registration. A trademark is registered for an initial period of 10 years. After the 10-year period, the trademark can be renewed for subsequent periods of 10 years each. 2. Application for renewal. Section 25(1). The owner of a registered trademark must apply for renewal in order to continue enjoying the protection of the trademark after the initial 10 years. The application for renewal must be filed before the expiration of the 10-year period. 3. Renewal of trademark. Section 25(2). If the application for renewal is filed within 6 months after the expiration of the initial 10-year period, i.e., during the grace period, the trademark can still be renewed. However, if the renewal is filed during the grace period, the owner will be required to pay a late fee in addition to the regular renewal fee. 4. Request for renewal. Section 25(3). The renewal application must be filed with the Registrar of Trademarks in the prescribed form, Form TMR. The renewal fee must be paid as per the rules. 5. Failure to renew. Section 25(4). If the renewal application is not filed within the stipulated time period, i.e., within the grace period, the trademark will be removed from the register. Once the trademark is removed from the register, the trademark owner loses all rights associated with the trademark, and the mark will no longer be protected. 6. Renewal of trademarks with multiple classes. If a trademark is registered in multiple classes, the trademark owner must apply for renewal of the trademark in each class separately and pay the renewal fee for each class. Question 142. What is the maximum number of times a trademark can be renewed under the Trademarks Act 1999? Answer. No, there is no limit on the number of times a trademark can be renewed. A trademark can be renewed indefinitely, as long as it continues to be used and the renewal application is filed within the specified time frame. The protection of the trademark can continue for as long as the renewal process is followed and the trademark remains in active use. In general, a trademark is initially registered for 10 years and it can be renewed for additional 10-year periods indefinitely, provided the requirements for renewal are met. Question 143. Which of the following is the correct order of steps for renewing a trademark on the IP India website? Answer. Following are the easy steps for renewal of trademark. 1. Go to the official trademark portal. Visit the IP India website at ipindia.gov.in. 2. Log into your account. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create a new account by registering on the portal. 3. Select the renewal option. Once logged in, select the renewal option under the Trademark section. Enter the trademark registration number and details to search for the trademark. 4. Pay the renewal fee. After entering the details, you will be asked to pay the renewal fee. The fee is $4,500 per class for individuals, startups, and $9,000 per class for companies. You can pay via credit card, debit card, or net banking. 5. Submit the application. Once you have completed the form and paid the renewal fee, submit the application. If the application is filed by a trademark agent, a power of attorney may need to be provided. Question 144. What is the first step you should take before filing a trademark renewal application in India? Ans. To file an application for trademark renewal in India, follow these steps. 1. Prepare for renewal. Review your trademark. Ensure the trademark you want to renew is still valid and that you are the rightful owner. Identify the correct classes. Know the classes under which your trademark is registered. The renewal fee is charged per class. 2. Access the trademark portal. Go to the official Indian trademark portal, india.gov.in. 3. Log in or register. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to register on the portal. 4. Select the trademark renewal option. After logging in, navigate to the trademark section. Select the option for renewal of an existing trademark. 5. Enter trademark details. Provide the trademark registration number and other relevant details about the trademark you are renewing. Ensure the trademark number matches the registered trademark you intend to renew. 6. Fee payment. Calculate and pay the renewal fee. The fee is typically $4,500 per class for individuals and small enterprises and $9,000 per class for companies. Additional fees apply if the application is filed after the expiration date, late fee. Choose the method of payment. You can pay the fees online through debit credit cards or net banking. 7. Submit the application. After filling in all required details and making the payment, submit your renewal application. You may need to upload some documents, such as a power of attorney if filed by an agent, or any other required documents. 8. Receive acknowledgement. Once the renewal application is submitted successfully, you will receive an acknowledgement from the Trademark Office. The application will be processed, and the trademark will be renewed once the payment and details are verified. 9. Track the status. You can track the status of your renewal application through the Track Application Status section on the Trademark portal. 10. Renewal certificate. Once the renewal is processed and accepted, you will receive the renewal certificate, confirming that your trademark is protected for another 10 years from the renewal date. Question 145. How does the Indian Trademark Registry verify and examine a trademark renewal application? Answer. The renewal application for a trademark is generally processed and examined by the Indian Trademark Registry. Here's how the registry verifies and examines the renewal application. 1. Verification of formalities. The Trademark Registry first ensures that the formalities of the renewal application are met. This includes verifying correct applicant details. Ensuring the applicant's details, such as name, address, etc., are accurate. Application details. Confirming the renewal request matches the correct trademark and its registration number. Fee payment. Checking that the required renewal fees have been paid and that the amount is correct. If payment is not made or is incorrect, the application will be flagged. 2. Checking the status of the trademark. The registry will also verify whether the trademark is still valid and active. This includes checking that the trademark is not subject to revocation or cancellation proceedings. Ensuring the mark is still in use or has not become abandoned or discontinued. 3. Examination of the renewal application. The examiner at the Trademark Registry examines whether the renewal application complies with the procedural requirements. This involves reviewing correctness of documents, ensuring all required documents are attached, if any. Timeliness of renewal. Verifying that the renewal application is filed within the appropriate time frame, i.e., within the last 6 months before expiration or within the grace period. 4. Late fees, if applicable. If the renewal application is filed after the expiration of the trademark registration, but within the 6-month grace period, the registry checks if the late fee has been correctly paid. If the late fee is not paid, the application may be rejected or flagged for correction. 5. No need for further examination of distinctiveness. Unlike the initial registration process, the renewal does not involve a substantive examination of the distinctiveness of the trademark or its potential conflicts with other marks. However, if there are any objections related to procedural issues, such as missing documents or incorrect details, the registry may ask the applicant to correct them. 6. Issuance of renewal certificate. If everything is in order and there are no objections or issues with the application, the Trademark Registry will proceed with the renewal and issue a renewal certificate. This certificate confirms that the trademark has been renewed for an additional 10 years. If you want to register your brand name, logo, or tagline and legally secure your identity, Don't wait. Get expert help with the entire trademark registration process. Contact VMK Professionals, your trusted legal and business partner, to ensure your brand is protected under the law. Visit www.vmkpros.com and get started today. That's it for this video. We hope you learned something new today about trademark renewal and how to protect your brand in the long run. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Thanks for watching.